Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Coco from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We'll start off by drawing the shape of the head with a large circle. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw two ovals for the eyes. And now let's add another oval inside each eye. And color both of these in black. Now top out, and on the bottom corners, let's add two curves for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop in between and let's draw the nose. Let's draw two curves out and back in, forming a heart shape. And then underneath for the mouth, let's draw two bumps going out like this. And add a small curve on the right side. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop underneath and let's start drawing the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw two curves down and in. Now underneath, let's bring it down in the center, meeting at a point. Now underneath on both sides, let's draw the arms. Let's start with a curve down and bring it back up, and the same on the right side. Now top up and let's draw a line up. And then let's curve it down and back up for the hands. And add two curves inside at the bottom. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's add the body behind. Let's start on top of the hands and let's draw a line down. And then add a curve underneath. Now top under and let's draw the legs. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a curve down and bring it in. Then underneath in the center, let's draw a curve out, and the same on the other side. And then add two curves underneath each leg. Now let's curve it outwards and back around for the feet. And add two curves inside at the bottom. And that's it for the body. Now we're going to move back up to the top and add the ears. Let's start on top and let's draw two lines up in the center. And add a curve across on top. Now let's curve it out and bring it down on both sides. And then one more on both sides like this. Next on top, let's draw a line up in the center. And then let's curve it out on both sides. Now to continue drawing the ears, let's bring it down and then curve it back up underneath the arms. Now let's move back up to the top and let's draw a curve inside and bring it down. Now let's continue it below the head and curve it back up. And that's it for Coco. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!